Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy. And here you need to click on account, but you can see there is no option in account information to change your date of birth. So how you can do that? So you simply need to scroll down and here you need to click on report a problem. So once you are on that page of reporting a problem, you simply need to scroll and click on submit a report. And here you need to mention that, hi TikTok team, I am unable to change my date of birth, can you help me? Hi TikTok team, can you help me change my date of birth? Can you help me change my date of birth? So after that, the TikTok, then you need to click on submit. Once you've done that, then the TikTok team will contact you within 7 days and help you change your date of birth. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.